January 29th is International Puzzle Day, and in this quiet Anaheim community, puzzle enthusiasts of all ages gathered to share their love of puzzles.
We found that there's a lot of puzzlers that want to get together and connect over puzzles.
Krista and Marshall Tipton opened up a free jigsaw puzzle library in front of their home and welcomed their neighbors to the grand opening.
Thank you all for coming out to the unveiling of the first free community jigsaw library in Orange County.
We know how much community builds around these.
The neighbors are super lucky. They're going to get to stop by and enjoy it.
Take a puzzle, even if you didn't bring one, we still have plenty of extras. Take one, bring it back, take another one.
Our family really loves puzzles, and we're excited to be here to donate this puzzle to the new puzzle library.
Happy National Puzzle Day.